Hi, I'm Rick with BestTop, and I'm going to walk you through the installation and removal of the quarter windows for your Bronco eTop. One of the great features of this top is these windows are removable, especially if you have to service or replace them, but we really recommend that you keep those installed to increase the performance and convenience and reliability of these over the life of the vehicle. The most important step is going to be making sure that you get this top open and in the right position to make removing or installing those windows easy. Now that we're here next to the car, I just want to point out the location of the assembly. You can see this front edge here is just about straight up and down, or maybe a little bit past. That's the position you're going to need to be in order to get access to remove the L-arm, have enough tension relieved on the zipper to get that started or installed, and really make it easy to attach at the bottom. If you're installing this window for the first time or you're replacing it after you've had to exchange it for damage or something, the first step is going to be attaching the lower retainer. There's a little tube strip that's sewn in here that goes into the retainer on the body. Start up here at the front and slide to the rear. Once that's in position, go ahead and secure the front of the window to the L-arm. Take some time to really look at this. There's two plastic pieces. This metal part of the L-arm is going to go between those two pieces so that the larger plastic piece is on the furthest outboard, then the L-arm, and then the smaller retainer. You just tuck those in. Wrap the front around. Take some time to secure the hook and loop, and then we'll go to the zipper. When you're in the correct position, you should have plenty of room here to move this zipper to get it started. When you get to the rear, make sure that you lift up on this rear bow a little bit. That'll help you get access to go around the outside. And if you have removed the rear window, this is a great time to go ahead and start that side zipper. Once you've got the zippers all the way in, you can secure that hook and loop at the back, and then you're ready to go ahead and close the eTop. That first time, go slow just to make sure that you have everything aligned properly. But there should be no need for adjustment if you've got everything installed correctly at this point. So to remove the window, you start by releasing the hook and loop. This will get you access to the rear, to the slider on the zipper. You can move that rear bow if you need to. Pretty simple, you just unzip around the corner and to the front. Once that's released, we're going to take the fabric off the L-arm. Which will allow us to remove the window on the lower retainer. If you still have your rear window attached, that one's real easy as well. It's just another zipper. Once you get that removed, you slide it off towards the front. Most important thing is when you're getting that top open, you want to make sure that front part is straight up and down, maybe just a little bit past, so that you have access to the L-arm and the tension is relieved on the side here for the zippers. Same thing if you're putting it back together. Just make sure you take it easy. If it's bound up, you can adjust that a little bit to get you the best angle to attach everything. The great thing is these are removable in case there's trouble and they need to be replaced. but we really recommend that you keep them installed where it's going to be super convenient and easy to operate for day-to-day driving. If you have any questions at all, please give us a call. We'll be happy to get back to you.